Hey guys! Today we're going to learn how to add these buttons, more specifically menus, in website terms. First of all, head back to your admin page and go to the Pages section. Now, click on any already existing menu items and move them to the trash. This will remove all the previously created pages. After that, click on Add New Page and simply name it whatever you want. I'm going to add some basic ones like Home and so on. Once you're done with that part, go back to Appearance and click on Menus. Now just adjust the layout the way you want your menu to appear. To create a drop-down or submenu, just click and drag a page slightly underneath another one. This makes it a subpage. Make sure to drag it a little to the right under the main page to set it properly. You can even add a subpage under another subpage if you want. And if you prefer, you can also organize everything manually.